There's our ball joint. A little loose. I'm using the old hardware. It's got more threads. And it's bigger. It's beefier. I feel safer using the old hardware. Yeah, the head's beefier. That's at 19. And that's probably, I don't know, 17? Yeah, I'll stick with the old hardware. The castle nut, let me see. Yeah, the castle nut seems beefier too. The same size. It's a 19, the old one. The new one is a 19 as well, but the new one, the old one looks beefier. So I'll stick with the old one. Yeah, use the old hardware. Works just fine. Yeah. Alright. Comparison. They look the same. This one moves. It's not terrible, but it moves around too much. This one. Oh, this is tight. It's not greasable or anything. There's no zerk fitting. Looks good. Let's put it back together.